Few years back, I was like you wondering how to start my online business as a solopreneur. Today I have successfully built my business online, worldwide, and most of my traffic are organic. And today I will share you a few tricks I used to start my online business. The first thing before you start is niche. When choosing a niche, people always check for CPM rates. By the way, CPM rates are the amount that advertisers are willing to pay to show ads on your website. Yes, high CPM means you will get paid more, but only if you can build your audience and get traffic. In my opinion, the most important thing for choosing a niche is your interest. Choose a niche that you are interested about. A niche that you have a little bit knowledge about. This is because most important factor for success is your time. If you are interested, you will spend more time on this. Forget about the CPM, because once you build your business, there are a lot of ways to generate income. You can get brand deals, sell online course, softwares and build an online tool website. As for my business niche, I choose technology and making money online as I have interest and knowledge in these fields. Another important thing to note is, not to choose a too big niche. Start with a small niche and expand as your online business grows. For instance, you can start with email validation and later expand it to include cold emailing and email marketing. If you don't know much about emails, you can even start with food recipes and later include restaurant business. Now let's move to most important thing in online business. The front page of your online business. The website. Let me share you how I build my website. My website is built with WordPress. The highest income for my online business comes from the Zarm Tech Shop. The Zarm Tech Shop is also built on WordPress, with the WooCommerce plugin. This plugin is great. It has a lot of features. Now you may be wondering, I don't have any kind of coding knowledge. Believe me, when I say my whole website is built without coding. I have a tutorial about this on my blog. I will leave a link in description. The next part is hosting your website. To start with, I would like to say you cannot host on free hosting for a successful website. My website ZarmTech is hosted on Hostinger. The reason I choose them is because they are the cheapest in the market, and also they have great customer service with a store full of services such as Google Workspace Email, Daily Backup, SEO Toolkit Pro and many more. If you want to spend a little more, I recommend Bluehost. They are recommended by WordPress also. They have amazing features such as easy WordPress website builder. If you are on any other platform, you can use themes like Divi to achieve this. If we compare both Bluehost and Hostinger, the first thing you noted will be starting price. With a Hostinger you can start by $1.39 per month, while Bluehost starts with $2.95 per month. Other than that, the rating for Hostinger is high. A quick note, links to all websites I mentioned here will be in the description below. Let's just say you are not a techie person. In that case you can contact us on Messenger or email to set your website up and running for a reasonable price. Now there is a game changer in online business. And that's funnel. Some says that if you use funnel you do not need a website also. However, I recommend to use both funnel and website. In just a case you are wondering what's funnel, funnel is a step-by-step process webpage that is focused on selling an item. The best two funnel program I recommend is ClickFunnels and System.io. In general, let's just say that ClickFunnels is a paid version and System.io is free version. If you are dead serious, then I recommend ClickFunnels. They have amazing tutorial and step-by-step guide. If you want to learn more, then click one funnel away link in description. The System.io gives you all you need to market and sell your products online. Sales funnels, autoresponder, membership site, affiliate program and more. In the free plan of System.io, you can have contacts up to 2,000. Everything else like sent emails, storage and blog posts are unlimited. So the choice is yours. If you want to learn more about System.io, I recommend this course on how to make your first $1,000 online. When you purchase this course for just $7, you'll get access to the exact sales script that used to get clients to pay up to $20,000 each. Both this ClickFunnels and System.io training program will be in the description below. Now that you have set up your online business, the next part is getting traffic to your website or funnel. The most important type of traffic is organic traffic. When it comes to organic traffic, let's focus on the most used search engine, the Google. To get traffic, write blog posts on your website explaining about products you are selling. Always put a call to action button in the blog post if relevant. The second most used search engine is YouTube. Millions of people are coming to YouTube each month and searching for solutions. Create a video about your products explaining its benefits and all. Try to make your videos about solving someone's problem, This way, when they search for their problem in YouTube, your will come up. To solve their problem, they will purchase your product. This is the strategy I use at Zarm Tech Shop. The next traffic source is email. Email marketing is the most important tool to grow your online business. For email marketing, you can use MailChimp, GetResponse, or ConvertKit. And again, the cheapest is MailChimp. If your email list is below 2,000 contacts, you can use MailChimp for free. However, what I recommend is GetResponse. Top digital marketers like Jonathan Montoya and Neil Patel use GetResponse over these other programs. To grow these email lists, you can embed pop-ups on your website. Also add email addresses when someone purchases a product on your website. Another best way to grow email list is by offering a free product. You can offer a free download such as an ebook or a guide. To achieve this, you can use a plugin like OptinMonster. All these links are mentioned in description below. There is a different email marketing called cold email marketing. Cold email marketing is a way of communicating with a list of prospects by using email as the main way of communication. Basically, cold mailing is sending an email to a lot of people you find on internet, telling them about your products. To send these types of email campaign, don't use your main email marketing softwares I have mentioned before. Instead, go for a system like Mautic. I am planning to do a tutorial about cold emailing with Mautic soon on this channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video if you do not want to miss this important tutorials. For cold emailing also, you need email address. To get emails, best tool is our Instagram email extractor. With this tool you can extract target email addresses. Just select an Instagram account of your niche and extract emails. Another way to get traffic is through Quora, Tumblr and other communities. Google something about your product. On the Google search at top, most likely you will find a result from a website like this. Just go there and add a comment or answer, mentioning your product. Make sure not to spam. Add a little long answer explaining an answer to the question asked. The next method to get traffic is Facebook groups. Facebook groups are the best way to get traffic fast. Just post to Facebook groups that are related to your niche, and get traffic. If you want to automate this, check our Facebook group Poster Pro. Through this tutorial, I have mentioned a lot of things, which probably you couldn't remember. This is why I am giving this free book, that contains all this in step-by-step guide. The first link in description will be that. Once again, please hit that like and subscribe button for more content like this.